Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. First, we will be needing to start a project so we can learn more about aspect ratio in Instagram edits. And basically, short answer is that you cannot change the aspect ratio, and that's the Instagram edits will just stay with the 9:16 aspect ratio or the phone or the mobile ratio, and it will use it on all your media. So here, if we go to plus sign or to add a new project, and we choose any kind of media, so for example this one, and load it, and it will be like the mobile aspect ratio. And the same, we can see it more visually by using this one that has like a computer or like 16 aspect ratio. And as you can see, it will not crop it or adjust the aspect ratio to it, but instead it will just leave the aspect ratio as it is. And that means that uh, Instagram edits is more suitable for just the reels if you are going to create reels, etc. And if you want to start like adjusting your elements to it, you will be needing just to start resizing your clips to fit the aspect ratio. Either you can use some cropping tools externally. For example, you can start going to Instagram and then let's just discard this project and then go to the posts or real ones, and then you can start creating your, and then you can go again to reels, and from there you can start choosing even post to change the aspect ratio or to start cropping your videos inside Instagram. And after that you will be able to start having your aspect ratio corrected. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.